Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Coach Yoann and I am so glad you're here. Today I'm going to show you how I made $1,005 day trading, but I'm not really proud of myself. So let's see what happened. Let's go. Okay, so before I start, I am super excited to have made $1,005. Let's be honest here, it's money, it's a lot of money, and I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm grateful. But I am not happy because of one specific reason. I did not respect my rules. So let's see what happened. So the first trade today, we open, obviously, before I go into my first trade, we open with a huge gap down. Okay, so that gap was coming all the way down here. Then as we started to fill it, I obviously reduced that gray area that you can see on your screen now, right? Now, we went a little bit lower and I missed that. I wanted to go short on that one, I didn't. So we went lower, flushed, and went back up all the way. And for some reason, I decided to enter. Although I know it was a choppy price action, it was just a bad decision on my own. So I entered right here, went lower a bit. I thought we will flush, but suddenly we reversed and crossed the 9. As my rule said, I need to cut. So I did cut, cross of the 9. I lost $190 on this trade. Then I was like, you know what? It's very choppy, as you can tell, when in a tight range here. But the range was becoming tighter and tighter, meaning that the next big move will happen. But I had some errands to do, so I was on the go. And that is where my main mistake comes from. When I'm usually on the go, I don't like to trade. I don't have my huge screens. I don't have my wheel set up. I'm on the go on my phone. I cannot see it all. The 15 minute, the 5, the 1, the 3, the 4 hour, the daily. I cannot see it all. I don't like it. But I still decided to enter that trade. So I saw the big flush happen and I'm like, you know what? I think we are lower and lower because I have some levels on ES obviously that I respect. And I was like, if we break those levels, we gotta have a huge next leg down. Therefore, we did have it. And I was like, I'm going to wait until we retrace a little bit. I didn't know we'll retrace all the way. But what I did is I started to enter. Enter here, made some money. And then I started to add more as we reversed. And then went sideways, I'm like, it still look good, we're gonna have the next leg down. And then it reversed completely on me. First mistake, I started to add more. I averaged down. I usually don't do it anymore. I learned my mistake, I learned my lessons, but I still did it. And I was on a go, I was driving, it was a whole mess. I was losing about $1,300 here. My stop loss was at 41.75, so as you can tell here. I'm like, if we cross or even touch 41.75, I am out. I'm taking my $1,500 loss and I'm walking away. But in the meantime, I added more. Third mistake. So, or I don't know how many at this point. So I came out to be at 7 contracts over here. I had a 41.65 and a $14, which is insane. But I had them between $5 all the way down to $2.75. Okay. Then we went all the way up here and I know I was on my phone and I can look at the bid and the ask and we almost touched 41.74, that's 74. And I'm like, that's it. As we touch the 41.75, I'm out. We never crossed 41.74, that's 74. After that, we reversed. Reversed completely. I'm now almost back home, backing up the car, taking the kid out of the car, running into my office, and this happened. Boom. As I open my computer, I'm up $740. Now I wanted to cut it all because I was just happy to be, up so much already. But then I'm like, wait a minute, I have 7 of them. Let's cut one by one. So that's what I did. I said to cut. My first one was cutting here, and then all the way down I said to cut, and my last one was here. I wish I cut this one because my contract went all the way up to $14. Actually, have it now, right? But I was right here because of the flush, obviously. Over here, those contracts were almost at $25, which is absolutely insane. But yeah, I decided to cut. And in strength, I was cutting, and at the end, I cut the last one here. So let's see what happened here. First trade of the day at 7:18, which is Western time, therefore 10:18 East Coast time. I bought 860 the 41.80 put, lost on that at 670, reversed on me, and I cut it. I lost $190, as you can tell here. Okay. Then I bought at 620, the first one here. Oops, excuse me. 620 over here. And then as he reversed on me, I said to add more and more and more. 620, 580, 520, 320, 290, 275. Insane, because I was on a go. I wasn't looking at all. I was just hoping, honestly, for next leg down. And if you see some of my videos before, I don't hope, right? Hoping is it's beautiful to hope for love and everything you want in your life. That's cool. But in trading, that's losing, because it's all about technicals. There is no hope. The market doesn't care about hope. Doesn't care about you. Doesn't care about if you're wealthy, if you're not. Doesn't care about anything. It will just do its thing, right? So I averaged down to 275. I think total my average was 340, 3.4. Okay, so going back, that was it here, and then started to sell. So started to sell at 590, 570, 550. As you can tell, I was just like pushing the button every 5 seconds. 28, 37, 42, 45, 48, 29, 28, 32, etc. I sold my first one at 590, 570, 550, 560, 540, 580, and 710 for the last one. Yeah, so total I made $1,195 on this one. Minus the 190 that I lost earlier today, I made $1,005 on day. Let's talk real here. Like, I'm always real if you watch some of my videos. Am I proud of this? Absolutely not. Is this a beautiful trade? Absolutely not. This is actually a terrible trade. I was on a go with not all my facts, not on my screen, so I couldn't see it all. It looks like I chased actually. I added more on against me, and my stop loss was extremely high. So I went down to lose 1,400 before making 1,200. That was just ridiculous. If anything, I should have waited until a full retracement, crossing the line, and started to see it here and enter right there. Therefore, I did not do it. That's what happened. It is what it is. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to go on my CoachYoann.com website and book a one-on-one with me. Also, if you have any question, you can also comment on that video. I'm happy to answer that. Once again, this is not financial advice or investment advice, but do not average down. I ended up lucky here, but I'm absolutely not proud of myself. So yeah, that's what happened today. Like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.